So the season pass looks pretty cool right now. The season pass by season pass, yep. So the battle pass is 950, and you guys can purchase, go ahead, and the bundle. So unfortunately the bundles we can't give away. However, battle passes we can. So that's what I'm gonna be giving away. If I find a way to give out bundles, I will do that for sure. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. So right now we can go ahead and equip this, or just go into next. I'm gonna equip it, why not? Next. Equipped it and claim. This is pretty cool. Okay. So you go in daily challenges. Yeah, I like this whole look for Battle Pass, where we can go anywhere. Okay. Yeah, it's something that we have to get used to. It looks pretty neat. Anyways, we can always go to play. Take a look at our new skin right here. And go ahead and go into squads and play the game to see what's new. Actually, before we get into the game, let's just pick out my favorite skin. And we're gonna go back and go into squads and see what's going on. So one of the new features that I see right now is this right here. So this is actually new on the map. I was looking for stuff that's new on the map, and this is one of those. So we can kind of see on the map where we haven't discovered yet, and there's a few places, not many, so they haven't updated much from the map itself. We're gonna go to each one and see what's new. Next place that we are trying out is right here. So this part of the map is also new. So I'm just gonna highlight it right here. We're gonna jump into it. We're gonna see exactly what's new about this. So the next part that we're gonna be looking at is all the way here. So we're gonna check out this part of the map and see what's going on over there. Alright, so the next part of the map that we're gonna be looking at is what I just actually went over there, but you know what? We'll just do the one that's close to Slurpy Swamp. That would be the best place to go at this point. So one of the last places that we have to discover is all the way up here on the map. So we're just gonna jump there and head towards that place and see how good or bad it is.